Hi, this is Vijay. In this video, we are going to see five different stocks which are in low priced category, because most of the people are asking about these stocks, whether we can buy these stocks, whether we can trade this stock, whether we can invest these stocks for long term wealth making or seasonal buying. So in this video, we are going to have an eye on these five different low priced stocks. So before going to those details, I will like to say a few points about a trading tips platform operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. So we have three kinds of trading tips platforms in WhatsApp, in which the most successful trading tips platform is Superfence option, in which we give low budget as well as penny level option trading in stock option with entry price, target price, and related update and alert through WhatsApp. The subscription to join Superfence option is 7,999 per month. A startup capital of 10K can be considered as working capital in this category, because using this 10K we can aim to have one lot of stock, or two lot or three lot, and sometimes rarely of rare 4 lots for personal trading. So the chance of getting profit is very high with this little capital. So one can consider this Superfan option is a great way to make consistent profits with a little capital. So if you are interested, you can subscribe to Superfan's option. You can remit the subscription 7,999 per month by GPay or PhonePe or Amazon Pay or Paytm to our WhatsApp number. We have only one WhatsApp number, one Bull Street, one Vijay. No other person is connected here. So beware of fact people who may be reflecting our name in Telegram. We do not cover any premium group, any VIP group, any trading tips activities in Telegram. All of our activities are confined only to WhatsApp only. So now we go to the video. So in this video, I have picked up five distinct low-priced stocks, starting from Vodafone Idea and GMR Infra, BHEL, IDFC First Bank, and L&T Finance. So this Vodafone Idea is a very dull and low momentum stock. The ongoing price of Vodafone Idea is 10 rupees 25 paise. It's oscillating between 9 rupees and 10 rupees and one fraction of some rupees. And GMR Infra is a negative stock. Though it is a negative stock, it has a great trading momentum in F&O segment as well as in equity segment. The ongoing price of GMR Infra is 41 rupees 85 paise, and BHEL is a very stable stock, though it showed some negative results in the previous quarters. So the ongoing price of BHEL is 65 rupees and 75 paise, and IDFC First Bank, though it has a negative image, so one can consider this IDFC First Bank. The ongoing price of IDFC First Bank is 52 rupees 10 paise, and L&T Finance Holding, the ongoing price is 86 rupees 25 paise. Now I tell you one by one. Vodafone Idea. So Vodafone Idea stock is nothing but it looks like a lottery ticket. You can buy and accumulate for long-term wealth making. If the stocks go and well, you can get money. If not, the money may vanish, or it may oscillate in between some prices. So this Vodafone Idea, if you have high risk ability, so if you have surplus money, you can park some money in this stock. Then GMR Infra, definitely if you are a speculative trader, you can consider this stock for intraday trading with minor profits with multiple trading, otherwise micro swing trading. And BHEL, one has to consider this stock for long-term wealth making and seasonal investment, because this stock is the company is in monopoly sector. This ongoing price 65 rupees 75 paise, definitely in one day it will become 650 rupees. So this is my personal opinion. Disclaimer is apply. I am not recommending these stocks. So take your own decision. And IDFC First Bank may be a micro level swing trading stock. So you can test. If you are interested, you can test. And L&T Finance Holding, this is a very stable stock. One can consider for long-term wealth making as well as seasonal investment. Like BHEL, I can say this L&T Finance Holding, maybe in one day it will reach 860 rupees, 10 times growth in few years. So if you are a person with positive outlook and positive attitude and risk-taking ability, you can consider BHEL and L&T Finance for long-term wealth making. For all other stocks, you can use your sundry money or any portion of money. You can test, you can trade to earn a minor gain. So this is about the 5 different stocks in a low priced segment. Now I'll tell you the features of Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. So Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, in which we give double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, mini jackpot trading tips, and occasional jackpot tradings. So these are all possible whenever market permits to trade. If you have a capital of 1 lakh rupees, if you are willing to travel for a period of 1 year passively with the passion to trade positional basis, you can subscribe to the Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, because subscription level will be this much and return will be that much. Our past performance are very fabulous, very highly successful, I can say. So this is about the Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. If you are consider yourself as a retail investor, a small trader, a small person, you can subscribe to Superfans option. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.